Hello there, I'm going to show you how to activate for a team. At the end of the day, we want to understand better how everyone feels, right? What we can do to make everything better. So we have our dashboard here of the Tribu app, and the main selector, we can choose any team that we want. So what we have to do, I have already a channel created for this example, which is my new team. You can go ahead and create a new team if you want and use Tribu on that. So for example, in my new team, I'm already calculating burnout and smart work. All right, I can see the scores in here. But why? What's happening in there, right? Want to understand deeper. Here in the Tribu Details button, we can click on it and we are going to understand better each member of the team and how they are doing on each of the radars. So the first screen that we're going to see is the overall score, all right? The overall wellness of each individual. In here we have two people and one is already using Tribu and the other one isn't. So you are going to have here a list of all the people using Tribu to understand in a click how they are feeling overall. If you want to understand deeper on a specific radar, you can select that in this drop-down. You are going to see all the available radars. We are uploading new radars every week, so follow our channels to stay up to date and find what's best for your team. So for example, now I'm going to select one of the radars. Let's select Smart Work to understand how everyone feels about working. And in here, we can see that we have a score already for one person, and the other person is showing a -1 because that means that he is not participating in the posts that Tribu is sharing, alright? This already gave us some insights, and now we can even talk to that person to understand what's happening if they are not interested. If you want to dig even deeper, we can show all this data in different forms. So for example, I'm going to show you how the Spotify radar works when it's already running. You can see the responses like this, right? In here, we can see that running the Spotify radar, the easy to release is in red, the fun is in yellow, and so on and so forth. So you can check that out. And if you want to measure something in particular, feel free to get in touch and we can make that happen. Now, to run a new radar for a team, you just have to click here on Enable New Radar, and that's going to show you the screen to track the new radar. Always remember to tag the action so we can correlate the data with the scores. That will help us in the future to analyze what's happening or what we could do to improve. So for this, I'm just going to tag it my first measurement, but for which radar, right? So for example, for this team, I will enable the burnout radar, and we can add more stuff in here to say my first burnout measurement. All right, you just have to click on measure now, and there we go. I already got a notification saying that I got a new message from my Tribu and that it's been activated. And for example, everyone in the team can understand the purpose of this radar because it's going to be showing in the purpose section. And it also sent a message to our channel that is my first burnout measurement. I have other measurements there, so that's why you are going to see that in there. So we go back to the dashboard, and if we go to the messages tab, I'm going to see the posts that I have active. I can answer one question a day, two a day, as many as we want. And the trick here is that you can also use this synchronously with your team. What does this mean? That, for example, if you have a retrospective meeting with the team, you can run Tribu and run it at the same time for everyone, and you're going to get the scores right at the moment. Also, to relieve the team of meetings, you can also run Tribu asynchronously. What does this mean? That we can run a radar there and each person of the team can answer whenever they want, and we're going to get the results back. This is going to give the team some metrics to understand what they could improve next. And that's it. It's super fast, super easy, and feel free to use it and let us know what you think and if you need something in particular. That's it for now. Bye.